Reaching out to me, I got to know. Some roots. Go, 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 go.
Zion roots, Kingston cushion on the paper. Whoa, whoa, yeah. We free, just set my spirit free. Through the trials of life, we're living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can't nobody defeat. We walk this earth with the light of Jah. Me feel the fire burning, me no need no law. Me heart liberated, me soul unchained. In the truth of Rastafari, no fear remained. We come from the struggle, from the pain, but Jah keep us strong, give we wisdom to gain. In every storm, Jah hold us tight. In Jah's name, me shine the light. From the smoke of the herbs to the songs we sing, we free like the birds, we fly on wings. Through the chains of oppression, through the force of the beast, we rise as one, find the greatest peace. We speak the truth, the message clear. In every Jah's fire, we have no fear. Rasta people unite, together we stand. In Jah's love, in Jah's land, no Babylon system can crush the sound. In Jah's glory, we truly found. We free, just set my spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can nobody defeat. In Jamaica's breeze, me feel the peace. Through Jah's blessings, all pain cease. From the island breeze to the dancehall beat, Rasta army march through the heart's heartbeat. The herbs are flow, the knowledge increase. We stand together in love and peace. From the city street to the countrywide, we free in Jah's love, no need to hide. Through the fire of the heart, the soul awake. No looking back, only forward we make. Through the storm we survive, we see the truth. In Jah's spirit, me feel the youth. Me no need to be told, me no need to be free. Jah's love is the answer for all me to see. We free, just set me spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can nobody defeat. Zion roots, aye. In Jah's garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show. Through the herbs Jah's truth we know. Jah's garden let the blessings flow. In Jah's garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show. Through the herbs Jah's truth we know. Jah's garden, let the blessings flow. Me walk through Jah's garden, see the fruits so sweet. Every plant grows strong from the earth beneath. The herbs are healing, the flowers are peace. In Jah's creation, our joys increase. Me touch the soil, my soul align. In Jah's garden, love divine. We rise in unity, we fight the fight. Jah's garden guide us through the night. With each step, the world unfold. In Jah's garden, we never grow old. Me harvest the seeds from the earth so true. In Jah's garden, we make all the new. The herbs, the fruit, the life inside. With Jah's love, we need not hide. In Jah's garden the flowers grow, with every seed a future show. Through the herbs Jah's truth we know, Jah's garden let the blessings flow. In Jah's garden the flowers grow, with every seed a future show. Through the herbs Jah's truth we know, Jah's garden let the blessings flow. Me see the people, their faces so bright. Jah's garden gift, the purest light. In the rhythm of life, in the dance of the sun, we free our soul, we feel so fun. Me give thanks every day for Jah's reign. Through the earth, we end the pain. With Jah by my side, our love combine. Me walk in Jah's garden, forever divine. In Jah's garden, we live the truth. Feed the elders and the youth. In the garden of Jah, we're free and whole. In Jah's garden, we save the soul. In Jah's garden, we live the truth. Feed the elders and the youth. In the garden of Jah, we're free and whole. In Jah's garden, we save the soul.
Zion roots, aye, aye, aye. Afghan hash smoke. Yeah, man. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. The lion roars in the valley, strong and loud. In Jah's guidance, we stand so proud. Me heart full of fire, the vision clear. Rasta teachings near, Babylon we fear. From the trenches of Kingston to the hills of the east, me lion heart never cease, never feast. Jah's wisdom me carry, me soul unbreakable. Like the lion's roar, me power unshakable. With each burn, we cleanse the soul. We honor the path as the stories unfold. Through the pain, the lion rise. With wisdom and truth, me reach the skies. Through Jah's fire, me grow the roots. Lion's heart, truth never dilute. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion heart, beating through the sound. We move with power, no fear to be found. Through Jah's strength, me break the chains, make with spirit rise. Free from the pain, the earth, my brethren, we no play. We rise in the sun and praise the way. Me heart pure, like the fire burn for Jah's love. We always return the lion heart. In Jah we trust, in Jah's guidance, we never rust. Forever we chant, lion strength to reclaim. Me lion heart, forever remain. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. The lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. When the darkness falls, Jah light me way, guide me steps from night to day. The mountains high, the rivers wide, Jah spirit in me heart reside. Shine the light, Jah, make the way bright. Through the trials of life, make me soul take flight. From Kingston streets to Zion's hills, Jah love protect me, Jah strength fulfill. In the valley of struggle, me heart beats strong. Jah wisdom guide me through the Babylon wrong. The youth them cry out, lost in despair. Jah say rise up, Rasta feed them care. Me step with me drum, the chant a echo loud. Fi free the people, fi lift them proud. The herb blaze high, the meditation pure. With just guidance, me soul feel secure. Me see the vision in the smoke that rise. A kingdom of peace under just skies. No chains can hold me, my spirit soar. The gates of Zion me forever adore. Shine the light, Jah, make the way bright. Through the trials of life, make me soul take flight. From Kingston streets to Zion's hills, Jah love protect me, Jah strength fulfill. Shine the light, Jah, make the way bright. Through the trials of life, make me soul take flight. From Kingston streets to Zion's hills, Jah love protect me, Jah strength fulfill. The youth them gather, the fire ignite. We fight Babylon with Jah's holy light. Each chant a prayer, each beat a call. Selassie I lead us, we never fall. The world a chaotic, but Jah truth stay. In Jah we trust, the righteous way. Through Jah wisdom, the chains them break. The strength of the lion make the earth shake. Shine forever, Jah me guiding sun. Till the battle is over and Zion won. With each new dawn, Jah spirit align. With eternal flame of Jah light fi shine. Zion roots, yeah. Rise for Jah, rise in the fight for love and truth. Burn the light, rise for Jah in unity's name. In Jah's glory, never the same. Through every trial, every storm, we rise for Jah and keep the norm. From the hills we shout, we pray. Jah lead the way, show the right way. Through every darkness we never stray. We fight for the truth each passing day. No Babylon can hold we down. With Jah's power we wear the crown. From Kingston streets to the garden sway, Jah me shield, me light, me stay. Them try and press we, but we rise tall. We stand with the Most High, Jah's love will call. Through struggles deep, we never afraid. In Jah's name, for freedom we parade. Rise my soul, rise my heart. In Jah's light, we never part. For Jah's glory, for the truth, me rise my voice and bless thee. Rise for Jah, rise in the fight. For love and truth, burn the light. Rise for Jah, in unity's name. In Jah's glory, never the same. They call upon the truth from the depths below. With Jah's wisdom, I continue to grow. The chains they broke, but we remain. Through Jah's word, we conquer pain. No weapon formed can dim our flame. We stand for the righteous, the holy name. Through the smoke, the people chant. For Jah's glory, my spirit can't recant. From the sound of the beat to the fire in the sky, we lift our voices, reaching so high. With each sunrise, with each day anew, we rise with Jah, always true. The road is long, but we will survive. In Jah's light, we feel alive. So together we rise, proud and strong. Forever united, we can do no wrong. For Jah's kingdom we rise in might, with his love shining so bright. No Babylon forces can hold we down. With Jah's guidance we wear the crown. Rise for Jah, rise in the fight. For love and truth, burn the light. Rise for Jah, in unity's name. In Jah's glory, never the same. Zion roots, ay ay ay, Rasta man so high. Roots and culture, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Jah people rise, we strong like the trees. Our spirit no break with the wind or the breeze. From the hills of Jamaica to the faraway lands, Rasta culture unite the hearts and the hands. But trod in the paths where the elders speak of wisdom and strength in the roots so deep. The rhythm of life keep us move, never slow. Selassie I lead the way, his love we know. Me take a pull from the chalice of truth. Feel the power of the elders from youth. Roots in the soil, culture all around. Rasta style sacred, where peace is found. Roots and culture, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fall. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Every song a blessing, every beat a sign. From the heart of Zion, the stars align. Through the herbs, the spirit arise tall. The roots of Jah culture heal one and all. We wear the colors of the lion, stand strong. My life is just story, me love, me song. The youth them rise, understanding the truth of the fire in the earth that sustains our youth. Forever we chant Jah's praises, unite through the roots and culture. We walk the light, no matter the struggle. We carry the flame, in Jah's guidance we remain the same. Roots culture, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs.
Zion roots, yeah man, blueberry kush smoke. Herb for the soul, light up the flame. Heal the mind, let Jah call your name. Me trust in the herbs, me trust in the fire, in the rhythm and the chant. Me take it higher, me sit on the hill. Chalice in hand, Jah's blessings surround like the ocean sand. The herb a guidance, the spirit grow tall. Rasta teachings rise above the Babylon wall. In every hit, me heart find peace. Through the smoke, the struggle cease. Me brethren pass the chalice with ease. Jah gift of life, I make me believe. We rise above the pressure, we fight the fight. The power of Jah, the herb make it right. Me take the herb and feel the flow. In Jah light, me spirit grow. Ganja a healing plant. Truth we ignite, we live free from Babylon's bite. Herb for the soul, light up the flame. Heal the mind, let Jah call your name. Me trust in the herbs, me trust in the fire, in the rhythm and the chant. Me take it higher through the herb, me journey clear. We see the truth, no Babylon fear. The roots of Jah give life anew. Every leaf a blessing in the morning dew. My brothers and my sisters, we walk the same road. Together in Jah light, carrying the load. In every chalice we burn, my vision bright. Jah lead me to the truth, the spiritual height. So light it up, feel the fire rise. Jah spirit present, see it in the skies. Herb for the soul, healing our pain. Me lift my soul with Jah's rain. Zion roots, rivers flow deep, the roots them strong. Inna the jungle, we hear Jah song. With each pliff lit, the prayers are sent. In the smoke of freedom, the spirit blend. Light up the herb, feed the mind stay pure. Jah wisdom within, eternal cure. The fire ignite, we crush Babylon sin. In the smoke of freedom, we begin again. Me step in at the streets, the world a cry. Babylon's rule can't make life high. The herb a grow in a jazz embrace, a sacred gift in a chaotic space. Each leaf for the healing where Jah design, fi make the people wake up and shine. Me brethren them chant the chalice pass, fi honor the roots and dismantle the class. OG Kush and lamb's bread divine, with the herbs me find Jah's holy sign. It bring peace to me mind, open the gate, fi understand life and break the hate. Light up the herb, fi the mind stay pure. Jah wisdom within, eternal cure. The fire ignite, fi crush Babylon sin. In the smoke of freedom, we begin again. Light up the herb, fi the mind stay pure. Jah wisdom within, eternal cure. The fire ignite, fi crush Babylon sin. In the smoke of freedom, we begin again. The Babylon system attack Jah plan. Them take the herb fi control the man, but Jah's will higher, the herb reclaim, fi guide Jah children through the flame. The green leaf speak of the earth's delight, fi ground the people with strength and might. The herb not just burn, it meditate. Me heart align with Jah, the rest vibrate. So light it again, let the smoke arise. Me feel Jah close through the open skies. Forever we blaze, fi Jah wisdom pure. In the smoke of freedom, we soul endure.
Zion roots, OG Kush smoke. Zion's fire, burning bright, lighting the way through the darkest night. Jah's light shine through in every fight. With Zion's fire, we claim the right. Jah power rise through the fire's flame. The spirit strong, it calls the name. In the smoke of the herbs, my spirit find peace. The troubles fade and the struggles cease. Zion, a place of the righteous and free, where the fire of Jah burns eternally. From the streets to the hills, me call to the sky. With the Lion of Judah, me aim high. The rhythm in me heart, the beat in the mind. Me rise in the spirit, me leave all behind. Fire in me heart, light up the day. Through Jah's fire, me find the way. Me face the struggles, me fight for the truth. Through Zion's fire, we renew the youth. Zion's fire, burning bright, guiding the way through the darkest night. Jah's light shine through in every fight. With Zion's fire, we claim the right. In the mountains high, in the valleys low. Zion's fire make the children glow. Through the herbs and the wisdom from the elders, we bring peace free from the oppressors. The fire it burn, but never consume. It purifies the spirit, removing the doom. No Babylon system can hold us down. With Zion's fire, we burn through the crown. Jah's light a guide, in Zion we reign. In Zion's fire, Jah's love sustain. So burn it forever, through night and day. In Zion's fire, Jah lead their raid. Zion's fire, burning bright, guiding the way through the darkest night. Jah's light shine true in every fight. With Zion's fire, we claim the rights. Zion roads, Zion roads. Me hear the call of nature, me hear the sound, Jah calling me spirit from all around. In every tree and in every breeze, me feel the power of Jah with ease. Nature's calling, me answer the sound. Jah's power and beauty is all around. In the rivers, in the sky, in the earth, Jah's creation, eternal rebirth. Me rise in the morning, the birds they sing. Nature's blessing, it's Jah we bring. Through the forests and the lands we roam, me find the peace, me find me home. The sun rise high, the clouds roll by. Jah's nature seen with the eye. In the rivers, me wash me soul. Nature's water, pure and old. Through the mountains, me heart beats strong. For Jah's kingdom, we rise and belong. Me smoke the herb, me rise with the breeze. Me soul connect deep in the trees. In every rock, in every tree, me feel Jah's power moving through me. The sounds of the jungle, the whispers of peace. From the roar of the lions to the swaying leaves, nature's calling, me hear it clear. We live by Jah's design, no Babylon fear. Me chant to the wind, the wave of the sea. In nature's rhythm, me spirit free. Jah's creation, a blessing pure. With Jah's love, we endure. Nature's calling, me answer the sound. Jah's power and beauty is all around. In the rivers, in the sky, in the earth, Jah's creation, eternal rebirth. Me rise in nature's cradle, me feel the earth. From the seeds of the flowers, see the rebirth. In Jah's glory, I walk with pride. Me soul connected, the truth can't hide. We chant the herbs and the praise from the heart. Jah's nature teachings never depart. With every blessing, me find a way. Jah lead me heart obey. Me dance under the moon, the stars above. We hear Jah's calling, we feel the love. Through the winds of time, we hear the call. In Jah's creation, we stand tall. Nature's calling, we live with truth. Through Jah's love, we find the youth. In every tree, the answer unfold. Jah's blessing eternally, pure and bold. like familiar. It's so easy. But tell you love is since familiar tears. Yes, this is my sky. So breezy.